Rigvediya Agni Suktam with introductory. Agni Suktam is the first hymn or Suktam in Rigveda in Pradhama Mandala, was composed by Rishi Madhuchanda Vaiswamitra, son of sage Vishwamitra, in Gayatri Chandas. It is addressed to the fire god Agni. Agni is conceptualized in ancient Hindu texts that exists at three levels in universe, that is, as fire on earth, as lighting in atmosphere, and in the sky as sun. This Suktam is collection of verses praising Lord Agni as a divine priest, that is, a messenger between humans and divine, by carrying offerings in Homa or Yajna rituals to respective gods. By chanting or listening to this Suktam, it is believed to get blessed numerous benefits, which includes physical, mental, spiritual well-being, and also bestows intelligence, good health, and overall prosperity. The Rigveda and Yajurveda, while both are Vedic corpus, that is, collection of hymns in Devanagari script, but chanted differently, observing intonations. Udata, Anudata, Swarita, Dirgha Swarita. Now it is chanted in Rigveda mode. Listen, learn and recite. अथ अग्निसूक्तं ऋग्वेद संहितायां प्रथममण्डलं मधुच्छन्दा वैश्वामित्र ऋषिः अग्निर्देवता गायत्री छन्दः अग्निमीले पुरोहितयज्ञस्य देवमृत्विजम् होतारं रत्नधातामम् अग्निपूर्वेभिर्ऋषिभिरीड्यो नूतनैरुता स देवां देहवक्षति अग्निना रयिमस्नवुत्पोषामेव दिवे यशसं वीरवत्तमम् अग्नियज्ञमध्वरं विश्वतः परिभूरसि स इद्देवेषु गच्छति अग्निर्होता कविक्रातुश्चित्रस्रवस्तमः देवो देवीभिरागामत् यदङ्गदाशु शेतुमग्ने भद्रं कारिष्यसि तवे सत्यमङ्गिरः उपत्वाग्ने दिवे दोष अवस्तधिया वयं नमो भरन्त ये मासि राजान्तमध्वराणां गोपामुतस्य दिविं वर्धमानं स्वेदमे सनपिते वा सोनवेग्ने सूपायनो भाव सचस्वानस्वस्तये ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।